Ever wonder why some stocks crash for months, while others seem bulletproof? It all comes down to one question. Who owns the stock? A stock's price depends on who owns it. Weak hands are nervous investors who sell as soon as things look bad. Strong hands are patient investors who hold on tight. When patient people own most of the shares, the price stays steady because they aren't panicked into selling when prices keep falling. People start to panic. This leads to a selling fever where bad news makes everyone want to get out at the same time. At this point, people aren't selling for a good reason, they are just selling because they are scared. But then, something incredible happens. The climax. The selling climax is the moment the panic hits its peak and then stops. You'll see a massive amount of trading. The price might look like it's crashing, but it suddenly recovers before the day is over. It's the point where big professional buyers take control from the people who are selling in a hurry. We call this stopping action. Price hasn't started going back up yet, but the crash is finally slowing down. It is the first sign that the worst is over. To find this moment, we look for these 4 specific clues first. There is a small pause, where the price stops falling for just a moment. Second, there is a panic spike, where everyone sells at once in a final rush. Third, there is an automatic bounce, where the price jumps up quickly, because there are no sellers left. Fourth, there is a final check, where the price drops back down slightly, to make sure the panic is truly over once these 4 steps happen. We draw 2 lines on the chart, a top line and a bottom line. In this specific method of trading, these lines mark the area where buyers and sellers will now fight for control. Show us the new safe zone for the stock's price. Don't try to buy at the absolute lowest price. It's risky even for experts. Instead, look for the clues that the panic is over. Wait for the nervous sellers to finish selling and the professional investors to start buying everything up. This helps you stop following the scared crowd and start following the smart leaders. Hit subscribe to join the lab and master the art of the chart. Happy investing.